Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to add a subdomain in Cloudflare. And don't worry, this guide is for complete beginners. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create subdomains. Let's get started. First, go to cloudflare.com and log into your account. After logging in, you'll see your dashboard with your websites listed. Click on the domain name where you want to add the subdomain. Now from the left side menu, click on DNS, then click on Records. This is where all your domain connections are managed. Now press the Add Record button. This is how we create a new subdomain. You'll see some fields here. Let me explain what to put. Type, choose A. Name, this is your subdomain name. For example, if you want blog.yourdomain.com, just type blog. IPv4 address. Enter your hosting server IP address. You can get this from your hosting provider like Hostinger, cPanel, or VPS dashboard. Proxy status. Keep it proxied, Orange Cloud, for security and speed. Now click Save. That's it. Your subdomain is now created. It may take a few minutes to start working, so don't panic if it doesn't open instantly. If this video helped you, hit like. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech tutorials, and comment below if you get stuck. I reply to everyone.